Train the Trainer certification programs encompass the main pain points that we hear from all of our growth-oriented organizations. We start with identification, because I hear all the time, where has all the good talent gone? We're running into a skills gap where we have people with great technical skills, but they don't have the soft skills. We hear complaints in a variety of different ways, but they all mean the same thing. It's so tough to find that right person. So what we've done is we've had an opportunity to experiment, because clearly recruiting, identification, and development is all we've done. So we have the time to experiment, while in so many instances you have not. So we've packaged a program that is tried and true, and it covers the 5 fingers of a recruiting methodology. What are the areas that we have to encompass in order to find that passive job seeker, active job seeker, whomever we're looking for? And we packaged it in such a way that we call it superior workforce recruiting, because frankly we can. We are converting hires in record speed, where it's become 83% more difficult to find an individual, and that normal time has gone from just a few weeks to a few months. We now have devised a product line that within 4 to 6 weeks, we are identifying the quality people that so many companies are dying to get to. So a toolkit, how to streamline your process. Is your job description really a living and breathing thing versus a bunch of duties and responsibilities? Does your employee manual reflect your culture, your mission, your vision, what you stand for? So that again, in the written word, people have a good sense of who they're working for and why they're working for you. Do you think, you know what, an open house is just for hourly people or low level? Maybe you're thinking in a completely different and old-fashioned way. And do you really know how to be communicating with that talent, that elusive talent? You'd be mortified to hear what the hot job seeker has to say about most of the companies they speak to.